western Virginia until 12:45 p.m. At noon, a severe thunderstorm was located near Danbury, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danbury, Francisco, Sandy Ridge, Penn Store, Cripps, Collinstown, and Prestonville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly clouds and ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following county: Stokes, North Carolina, and Patrick, Virginia.
Wow.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXL 42 operating on frequency 162.40 megahertz. This program originates in Raleigh and is transmitted on an antenna located on Sorrel Mountain in Stokes County. The station serves the northwest Piedmont and northern foothills of North Carolina, as well as the Virginia counties. The current time is 12:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh crap.
County until 1:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Germanton, or 7 miles southwest of Walnut Cove, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Just mention it on the scanner.
Winston-Salem, Claresville, Walkertown, Rural Hall, Stanleyville, Frothtown, Sedge Garden, Bellows Creek, and Bellows Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
First time I've ever heard it being broadcast over a scanner.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following county: Forsyth, North Carolina.
Severe thunderstorm in northeastern Forsyth County until 1:15 p.m. If 60 mile per hour wind gusts are going to be reported. All you speed by 12:50 hours.
Including the following county: Forsyth. When until 2:45 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams.
All units be advised, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
That's so cool.
For Winston-Salem, it'll be effective until 13:15. Sound broadcast 12:49.
Okay. That's cool.
Essentially, as per copy the following weather lookouts. All units be on lookout for severe thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service reported that severe thunderstorm warning in northeastern Forsyth County until 1:15 p.m. If 60 mile per hour wind gusts are going to be reported. All units be advised 12:50 hours.
That's so cool. I've never heard it being broadcast over the scanner before, which I guess I can't really hear, so my scanners are going off. Scanner weather is going off, but hey. SVR for my county. You know, freaking severe weather's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to happen this afternoon. And I was playing Grand Theft Auto. What the hell? Here we go again. Why does my flashlight keep turning on? What the hell?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stokes County.
The lightning is crazy.
At 12:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Germanton, or 7 miles west of Walnut Cove, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
too crazy yet.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walnut Cove, Danbury, Sandy Ridge, King, Pine Hall, Earsville, and Hanging Rock State
What
Park.
the fuck is going on with
Prepare
this?
immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly ground-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports
know what I was
of
going
any
for my
signs,
J1.
as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Holy crap.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Stokes, North Carolina. Advisory information from the National Hurricane Center. At 11 a.m., the center of Tropical Depression 3 was located near latitude 11.0 north, 4.3. The depression is moving toward the north at 10 miles per hour, and this motion is expected to continue.
Don't know what I was going with my J1. The lightning just strike really close to my house. Hope it didn't hit it. Come on. There we go. What in the world was going on with that? Oh.
Thunderstorm was located near Kernersville, 11 miles northwest of Greensboro, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Summerfield, Stocasdale, Jamestown, Lake Jeanette Marina, Oak Hollow Marina, Lake Townsend Marina, Lake Townsend, and Lake Grant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following county: Guilford, North Carolina. At 1:15 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Forsyth, North Carolina.
Okay, so you might be wondering why the honey walks off. Lightning struck my house about 15 minutes ago, and it unfortunately caught some of my radios. R1630 and the J1 both got hit. Luckily, they took no damage. I guess it just messed them up where the screens were blank on both of them. So I just had to reboot them. But I cannot stress enough, if you're a weather radio collector, please invest in some of these right here. If it weren't for these, all my radios would be fried. Literally all of my radios would be fried if it wasn't for these. Every radio is hooked up to one of these somehow, some way. These things right here will save your radios. They will. These things protect from lightning strikes. It completely filtered it out, and it didn't fry any of my radios. This is the reason why this is unplugged. Is because I don't know what happened, but it's no longer playing the weather. So I think what may have happened is the cord I have going on the back, it might have blew out. So I need to solder it back on. Hoping that's why. And if not, then that might be the only radio that took some damage, was the Honeywell. But no other radios took any damage but the Honeywell. Not that I can see, at least. So, yep. On to the next order.
thunderstorm warning for the city of Martinsville in south central Virginia, Henry County, southeastern Franklin County, and west central Virginia until 1:45 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ridgeway, or near Martinsville, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Sidnersville, Axton, Ridgeway, Snow Creek, Leatherwood, and Speedway and Martinsville Airport. The following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215. The National Weather Service reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page.
What the hell is going on? It's a double head. Oh, double header. Double header.
45 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Virginia, and the Virginia independent city of Martinsville.
Whoa, triple header. Triple header. It's a triple header. What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County, northwestern Montgomery County, southwestern Randolph County, northeastern Stanley County until 2 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albemarle, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Beacon, Denton, Star, New London, Steeps, and El Dorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Davidson, Montgomery, Randolph, and Stanley. The National Weather Service.
Okay, never mind that. Let's see here. Martinsville, Franklin, Henry. That should have went over. Maybe not. I don't know. City of Martinsville. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I don't know, but whatever. Oh wow, that was really delayed.
30 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ellisville.
I think the Honeywell is unfortunately, I think the decoder's dead. I can't get to activate anymore.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eaton, Reedsville, Wentworth, Mayodan, Madison, Stoneville, and Mayfield. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: Rockingham, North Carolina. Until 1:45 p.m. for northwestern Guilford County. At 1:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Bethany, or 8 miles north of Greensburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard.
Yep, I think the Honeywell may be done. It's no longer activating.
warning for western Pennsylvania County, the city of Martinsville, and south central Virginia, eastern Henry County, southeastern Franklin County, and west central Virginia until 2:45 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chapmas or near Martinsville, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Axton, Handle, Kellens, Sidnersville, Ridgeway, and Snow Creek. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, walk to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Keep on under Smith Mountain Lake. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning.
Damn, it even frosted some of the damn Christmas lights. What the hell?
Send your reports of hail of any
Oh,
size,
man.
as well as reports of any wind damage,
Damn.
including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1.
Fried my damn Christmas lights, too.
4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook.
The hell? Oh, we hit the 2-minute limit.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hillsborough, 8 miles south of Madison. Hazard of 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Well, it fried my Christmas. Oh no, this ain't activating anymore.
Whitworth, Mayota.
Why is this not activating anymore?
For your safety.
Oh, don't tell me this is also.
Of Martinsville.
Anyway, well, rest in peace, my Christmas lights, I guess. Dang. My Christmas lights. No. Oh, man, that's sad. I love how, like, these here work, and as far as you go up, the more bulbs are burned out. Dang it.
National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Campbell County in central Virginia, northeastern Pennsylvania County, northwestern Halifax County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Island, or 8 miles east of her, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
Well, looks like this, unfortunately, is no longer activating.
Brookmeal, Concord,
I have to work on
Natalie,
it some
and
more.
Cody. Prepare
Oh,
immediately
man.
for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Pennsylvania, Virginia. Here is the latest advisory information from the National Hurricane Center. At 11 a.m., the center of 40.3 winds.
Alrighty, well, unfortunately the Honeywell is not activating. So, at the beginning of this video it was, at the end it's not, so... Thank you, Lightning, for ruining my radio. I really appreciate it.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockingham County, northern Caswell County, the city of Danville in south central Virginia, Pennsylvania County, until 3:45 p.m. Into 27 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Swansonville to Quick.
Caused me to die.
25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Yanceville, Bethel, Chatham, Gretna, Mount Airy, and Providence. This includes the following location: Danville Airport. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Caswell and Rockingham, and Pennsylvania, Virginia, and the Virginia independent city of Danville. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for western Pennsylvania, eastern and southeastern Franklin counties. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South River, California. 60 miles per hour wind gusts, 5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, and Patrick. When? From Tuesday morning through Thursday. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks,
Flood watch.
and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details: -3 to 6 inches of rain with locally higher amounts are expected, especially along and just east of the southern Blue Ridge. http://www.weather.gov/
Flood watch.
Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, the flood watch has been issued from 6 a.m. Tuesday until 6 p.m. Thursday for the following counties: in North Carolina, Allegheny, Surrey, and Wilkes, and the following counties: in Virginia, Carroll, Grayson, and Patrick. At 1:54 p.m. rain, a thunderstorm and fog were reported at
Get activated!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for central Guilford County until 5:45
Oh shit, it's
p.m.
observed.
At 2:45 p.m., the public reported flooding near North Buffalo Creek. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh shit.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area.
But the Honeywell activated.
Flash flooding is already
Yay.
occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and
Wow, we already got a flash flood warning, and it's observed.
Locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensboro, High Point, Lake Jeanette Marina, Lake Brent, and Lake Townsend. This includes the following flood-prone locations: South Buffalo near Holden Road and Interstate 40, Horseppen Creek near Old Battleground Road, Latham Park near North Buffalo Creek, Wendover Avenue near Latham Park, and North Church Street near East Palm Boulevard. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Guilford, North Carolina. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern Halifax counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
So maybe the Honeywell's just selective alerting and wants to activate where it wants to. I mean, it decoded the correct time, 3 hours. Right? Yep, 3 hours. Alright. Well, maybe we didn't lose hope for the Honeywell after all. Alright, well, first flash flood warning in the books.
For the following county, Alexander, North Carolina. Flood watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Thursday.
Yes, please, flood watch. Oh wow, that's a big flood watch too. Huge flood watch.
Burke Mountains, Caldwell Mountains, Eastern McDowell, Eastern Polk, Greater Burke, Greater Caldwell, Greater Rutherford, Henderson, McDowell Mountains, Mitchell, Polk Mountains, Rutherford Mountains, and Yancey. When? From Tuesday morning through Thursday afternoon.
This is Raleigh. I don't know, Raleigh may not issue a flood watch. They issue a flash flood warning, so it might.
Additional details. A low pressure area dropping down over the southeast tonight is expected to stall to our west and southwest on Tuesday, then linger there through the better part of the week. This low pressure system will set periods of showers and storms across the forecast area through at least Thursday, resulting in widespread rainfall that may eventually cause flooding, particularly along and near the Blue Ridge Escarpment in North Carolina. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ Flood A. Flood watch for flash flooding means there is a potential for rapid onset flooding based on current forecasts. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation and may impact areas that do not typically flood. Please monitor the latest forecasts and be prepared to take action quickly should flash flood warnings be issued. Rainfall of more than 5 inches in similar storms has been associated with an increased risk of landslides and rock slides. If you live on a mountainside or in a cove at the base of a mountain, especially near a stream, be ready to leave in advance of the storm or as quickly as possible should rising water, moving earth, or rocks threaten. Consider postponing the severe thunderstorm warning for.
They have 2-minute timeouts on 1050 products. I know that. Yeah, no. 1050 products also have a 2-minute limit. Huh.
Here is a special message.
Tornado warning.
Was located 10 miles north of Huntersville,
What the hell?
or near Mooresville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Damn tornado warning?
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
What the
Damaged
hell?
roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Minneapolis, Indigo, Landis, and China Grove around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Mount Polk, Dooley, and Piedmont Research Station. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling
Let's click activate again.
800-267-8101
Very specific.
or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSTSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Iredell, and Brand. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazard stations.
A tornado warning. Wasn't expecting that.
This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on Sorrowtown Mountain in Stokes County. The station serves the northwest counties. The current time is 5.
Tornado warning?
Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County, southeastern Iredell County, north central Mecklenburg County.
Oh, it's from Mecklenburg.
Until 7:45 p.m. At 7:08 p.m. a severe thunderstorm.
I bet Mac is shitting his pants.
Northeast of Huntersville or near Davidson, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Hey, activate at the
Flying
correct
debris
time.
will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mooresville around 7:20 p.m. Cottle Creek Reservoir around 7:30 p.m. Kannapolis, Emmetsville, and Landis around 7:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damage to winds, hail, or drones to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWS from flying debris. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties.
Oh, that kind of looks creepy.
Cabarrus, Iredell, and Blanche. Or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. 42, operating on frequency 162.40 megahertz. Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on Sorrowtown Mountain in Stokes County. The station serves the northwest Piedmont and northern foothills of North Carolina, as well as adjacent Virginia counties. The current time is 7:11. Has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont
There we go.
of North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County, southeastern Iredell County, north central Mecklenburg County, southwestern Rowan County, until 8:30 p.m.
Oh, now he decided to go off. I need to fix that thing.
At 5 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. This dangerous storm flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Davidson around 7:50 p.m.
Oh, Raleigh might issue one here soon.
8 p.m. Kannapolis, Cottle Creek Reservoir, Emmetsville, and Mooresville around
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
8:30
whoa,
p.m.
whoa. Oh, that's South Carolina. Damn it.
By this dangerous thunderstorm include Croft. Take cover now.
No, we still got
Move to a
Walford.
basement or an interior
Davidson
room on the
County.
lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Iredell, and Bland. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in North Carolina, Iredell, and Bland. Flood advisory in effect until 9:30 p.m. this evening. What? Nuisance to minor flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of Piedmont, North Carolina, including the following counties, Iredell and Bland. When? Until 9:30 p.m. Impacts. Nuisance to minor flooding. Flooding of the secondary roads is ongoing. Additional details at 6:31 p.m.
what's going on with this radio. Why it didn't go off. Wait, it does go off for TORs, I think, right? Does this thing go off for TORs? TSVR2. I don't think it goes off for tornado warnings. I don't remember, honestly.
Northeast Rowan counties over the next one.
I don't know if this thing goes off for TORs or not. Anyway, yeah.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for
Oh, considerable.
northwestern Cabarrus County, southeastern Iredell County, northwestern Mecklenburg County, southwestern Rowan County until 1:45 a.m. At 7:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Why is this so bad?
1 to 3 inches of rain has fallen over the past 2 hours on top of 1 to 2 inches of rain that fell earlier today. Ongoing nuisance to minor flooding is going to worsen as a result of trailing thunderstorms. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, and new areas of flooding are likely to develop. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Huntersville, Kannapolis, Cornelius, Mooresville, Davidson, Landis, Indieville, Ramsey Creek Park, Dewey, and Mount Ella. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rainfall is possible across the warned area, exacerbating ongoing flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
6-hour flood warning.
Be especially cautious
Flash
at night
flood
when
warning.
it is harder to recognize the
Kinda
dangers
rare.
of flooding. Stay away or be swept away.
That's
River
awesome,
banks
yeah.
and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.
Hey, here we go.
A flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Iredell, and Brand. Here is a special message from the National
Oh,
Weather
jeez,
Service.
this day is full.
Alexander, North Carolina.
I'm gonna have to upload this video before the damn day ends.
What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible.
More tornado warnings, more flood warnings.
The following areas.
It's only Monday. It's only day 1, and we're already getting freaking alerts. Goodness gracious. These warning lights haven't shut off since like 10 a.m.